How's it going, guys? My name is Lord Vending Machine here, coming to you with the first Five Nights at Freddy's 2 video off Android. Now, the deal with me doing it with an Android and not a computer is, I've said in my first video, I don't have a computer as yet. I do have a laptop, but I don't have recording software on there, and I don't want to waste space on my laptop, because I use it for school, for my IT. So I'm first going to start this off quickly saying, yes, I am on night 3. I will be doing a new game right now. I did originally make a video before, kind of like a test run, but in the end of the thing, it was perfect until I stuffed it up badly. So what I'm going to do is, guys, you'll see, because I have to record, I have to pull this down every now and then, just to check that it's recording, and then obviously at the end of the video, I'll pull this right down, and I'll go and stop the video. You'll see that, unfortunately. I don't know how to get rid of that yet, but I will eventually do it right. I'm uploading this straight off on my phone after this, so there's no editing or anything that will be going into it, so if I do make a mistake, please forgive me. I am new to this, and I do intend on doing this a lot more, but not the messing up part. So another thing that I just want to go into, you can hear that the game volume is quite low. The volume will be turned up in-game when Phone Guy's talking. When he's not talking, however, that is when I'll turn down the volume so you can hear me speak again. Because you can't work over both, because I'm in my room, and it's connected, and we're not connected, but the walls are quite thin, and everyone can hear me next door, and they get annoyed with the sound. So I can't scream over the volume. So what I'm going to do is I'll just turn it down when it gets down, as I've said. So guys, let's just jump right into this new game. I'm probably going to finish night 1 and night 2. If I die in night 2, however, I'm going to end the video there, and I'll make another one probably tonight or tomorrow morning, guys. So shot, let's do this. So guys, obviously touch here, all that stuff. You don't sure know how to play this. Phone Guy's about to start talking, and you turn the volume up. Shot, guys. Okay guys, forgive me if this sounds a bit too low or too high. I'm using just a pretty crappy recording software. It's good, but it's not amazing. It's the only one that I know of that can record my voice and the internal sound from the game. So what I just want to get into quickly is, as I'm sure you know, there's a fan of theories and whatnot about this game. And with theories floating around everywhere and whatnot, there's a lot that you can dive into, you can talk about, you can discuss. And with Termineagle, you know, my editor that I mentioned, what we can do is we're going to do like a Skype conversation. I'm good with other friends as well, and we're going to go into depth about the whole Five Nights at Freddy's lore, should I say. Like, as people think, that purple guy is phone guy because he just seems to be like conveniently chilled about the whole situation. That, I mean, these motherfuckers and then these O's, well, this O, should I say, this thing, and the toy animatronics, including Bonnie, wherever the hell he's gone. There is crap. You know, he's just all chilled about the fact that they're coming after you, and he's just acting like they're just there to say hi or whatnot. So, I want to dive into that a lot. I'm also going to have a lot of my own vlogs about this. I'm going to do like discussions with a friend of mine, obviously, because he knows quite a bit. He's actually here next to me, but he's playing on my Xbox at the moment. Yeah, so I'm just going to get into all of those types of things. It's kind of what I want to do. I kind of want support from you guys if you can. Give me the support. Like, I also wanted to ask you in the comments below, because leaving a comment would be nice. Now, I still need my first comment. I have got 8 subscribers now, which is quite exciting. I want to get to 10, hopefully after this video. I've been spreading myself around a bit, and so have my friends, but I'm hoping that my subscribers can do that for me as well. I want to just get out there. I don't want to do it so that I get to the point where I start getting paid to do whatnot. If that does eventually happen, and that's good enough, like because I've got my PC or something, I mean, that'll be freaking awesome. But that's not my objective with this. I'm pretty funny, I've been told by friends with games and whatnot. The only reason I'm not making jokes now is because usually when I make jokes I scream, and as I said, I'm in my room, so can't do much. When I record next time, I'll either be in my garage or if I'm at my other house, we'll hopefully do better videos. Just now, I wanted to keep one out there so you guys don't think I'm a dead subscriber or YouTuber. He's out there and he's going to be like, oh yeah, he's going to play all of the big talk and whatnot, and he's going to do nothing. I don't want that. Toy Freddy, good lord, you are ginormous. Okay, sorry about that, guys. I accidentally locked my phone. Proper stuff. I told you, there's nothing that you can do about it. I don't have anything to like blank out my screen and whatnot. So I have like my purple guy lock screen because I just, like, as I said, I love the law and whatnot. I know it locks, and I know you people are going to go crazy in the comments about the fact that I'm such a amateur and whatnot. But I am an amateur. I'll own up to that. I'm still getting there. But yeah, guys, I just need your support. And there's also another thing I want to ask you. From the Five Nights at Freddy's 2 characters, please leave in the comments below who your favorite is. But don't go like Fredbear, because in this he's Golden Freddy. So go like Marionette or Puppet or whatever you want to call him. But don't go like Fredbear or Nightmare or something like that, or Springtrap, because he's not in this. I mean, yeah, he is in this, but he's not a character. He's hidden in the back in one of the rooms. Crap, I think I'm dead. I'm not one. God, that gave me a fright. Don't be dead. Don't be dead. Oh! It literally just turned 6 a.m. As Toy Freddy was about to, like, utterly drop the soap on me, it turned 6 a.m. That was me not paying attention, but, oh! That was lucky. Oh my goodness. Oh. That was brilliant. I've never been so lucky. Yeah, here's phone guy, guys. Sorry.
Notice the older models sitting in the back room. Those are from the previous location, and we just use them for parts now. The idea at first was to repair them. They even started retrofitting them with some of the newer technology, but they were just so ugly, you know.
Okay, guys, sorry, I was just thinking there when you ended. I think the old animatronics come awake in this night. Probably right at the end, though. I think Bonnie just goes to camera 7. Oh, great, Mangle. You little one-eyed freak. Disgusting. All these characters in this thing are like, they're just horrible. Like, as I said, like, leave your favorites in the comments below, because I just want to know. But only from Five Nights at Freddy's 2. But I mean, personally, my favorite animatronic out of them all is that big dude in the bottom right. The original Freddy Fazbear. I just love the way he comes into your office and just stands in front of you. It's like, are you ready for Freddy? And then always, you're just never ready for Freddy. You just die. You should just be ready to die. And just get demolished. Please, yes! Balloon Boy's still there. I hate Balloon Boy. Like, I have a special hate for Balloon Boy. There's a special place in hell for Balloon Boy. That's why he got destroyed in the end of Five Nights at Freddy's 2. He got burnt, bro. I was so happy. Now, when I say bros and whatnot, I'm not trying to copy PewDiePie and all that. It's just how I talk. I'm not trying to copy anyone. Oh my goodness. It looks like my ex. I'm not going to be specific of which ex that is, because I will get in trouble for that. From the ex. Because I think she already knows. If she's watching this, she probably already knows. But oh well. And Balloon Boy's moving around. Oh yay. Now I'm excited. Yeah, dude. I'm not trying to trick any of you guys. I'm not trying to just have, like... I'm not trying to be annoying and whatnot. This is literally just me. I'm not trying to be like PewDiePie or Markiplier or anything. Like, I know I might make a mistake and end up saying Markiplier's outro, because I've just played as I've watched Markiplier play games so much that I just know his outros and intros so much that I might say that accident. Please don't go crazy in the comments. I know Markiplier's Markiplier. You know, so while I'm talking to you guys, I'm coming up with my outro, because obviously I have to do my outro the stupid way. I have to pull this down and do my outro, which is horrendous. I'm sorry about that, as I've said. But I have to start somewhere here, guys. I mean, you guys obviously support me, man. If you subscribe to me, it means you support me and German Eagle at the same time. Oh, boys. That was a complete stuff up. Okay. We're dead. Or did it go back? Did it go back? Okay, you're lucky. Even though I die, I'll still come back and haunt you, Toy Chica. Because nobody likes Toy Chica. Except there are those few people out there that do like Toy Chica, and Chica in a way people probably shouldn't like a creepy character. Which is quite strange. But you know, what can you do about some people's choices? It's just fan fiction. It's you know, your own type of thing. But like some people are like senpai. Like, I'll never have you, my senpai, and that's like Chica. Because apparently the soul of Chica is actually a guy, so practically dating a guy girl. I just knew Toy Freddy was coming. I'm sorry. I'm so used to double tapping that button. Look at my little nose and my mouth. It's so cool. Really? Really? This mask smells like old people's armpits. I think I want to keep that on for too long. Oh, Toy Chica. Oh, look at that cupcake though. It's looking at me. It's so cute. Let's eat. Yo. This thing must die. It's on LEDs or something. I hate it. It's like I've got as I've said, there's a special place in hell for Balloon Boy. So yeah, the volume might be low, and I'm sorry about that. I will obviously watch my own video to see what it's like, and I'll obviously adjust the quality from there. You know, I'm obviously going to just post it the way it is. As I said, I'm not doing editing or anything. Not just yet. I was going to send this to Termin Eagle, but I was just having a conversation with him this morning. And I don't want to wake him up so early, so I just thought I'd just post this video and see what kind of comments I get and likes. Hopefully I don't get any dislikes, because I'm not aiming for that. But guys, as I've said, I do know I'm an amateur and I have to start somewhere. And I'm going to start here and hopefully get big. So guys, just please, support me on it. 6 AM, guys. Yay! Alright. Okay guys, it's on the 3rd night, but I'm just going to turn the volume off completely. Unless, I actually won't do that because it might turn down my voice. Mute call. No one needs you right now. What I'm going to do guys is I'm going to end this video here. Please just leave a like if you have liked this video. Leave a comment down below about who your favorite Five Nights at Freddy's 2 character is, or if you're asking me for a request to play on Android, not paid, because I can't always pay. So if you can do free, if it is paid, I'll try and get my hands on it if I can. But yeah guys, I know the profit's coming for me. But guys, I'll see you in the next video. Please just leave a like, subscribe, leave a comment, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Cheers guys!